Top Interior Design Flooring Trends 2023. New ceramic tiles designs for home interior 2023. Just keep watching. Be one of the HD Interiors family. To make your home vibrant, HD Interiors channel is your way to build a contemporary home. Hey everyone, welcome back to HD Interiors. Please, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. It means a lot to me to help spread the video widely. Flooring trends change over the years as homeowners acquire new tastes, and technology allows for an ever-increasing variety of designs. In 2023, medium tones of brown are still popular for flooring. Another trend that has resurfaced, and may continue, is to allow floor imperfections, such as mineral streaks and knots, to serve as part of the aesthetic and create a more natural feel. Artificial flooring is also on the rise. Tiles that look like wood remain one of the top flooring trends 2023. The year 2023 is sure to bring exciting new trends. Tile has been a classic and popular flooring choice for many years. In 2023, you can expect to see these kinds of tile products. Marble look tiles that are affordable, but look anything but cheap. Decorative tiles lean toward Art Deco or Moroccan styles. DIY-friendly tiles that allow you to easily install them yourself. Designer tiles that are hexagon, fan, or arabesque in shape. If you're looking for a modern floor that is both waterproof and durable, tile should be a top candidate in your new flooring considerations list in 2023. Large porcelain tiles and hexagons. With the increasing popularity of oversized porcelain stoneware used by homeowners in kitchen and bathroom renovations, we also expect an increase in these types of patterns and shapes. Wooden floors with beautiful patterns. If you're thinking about adding a unique touch to one of your home spaces, you can add patterned wood flooring to your list of options. In particular, we are seeing an increase in the popularity of herringbone patterns in kitchens, bathrooms, and other spaces. Chevron and herringbone patterns are a great way to add an accent to a kitchen or dining room. Vintage black and white. Vintage has always been a symbol of nostalgia, bringing back warmth and memories of past decades. In 2023, black and white tiles will make a comeback, although they are no longer the old black and white tiles that adorned historic homes. The new tiles create a more luxurious and graphic style. More and more owners want their floors to be unique. To do this, use smaller tiles with bolder graphic patterns. It harmoniously combines vintage and modernity, creating an impeccable appearance. Hexagons flooring. Hexagon tiles have been in the spotlight for some time now, especially when used in the kitchen or bathroom. In 2023, we will see hexagonal tiles, as well as various other shapes, in large sizes, that will take place in the living room, dining room, and kitchen. These patterns create beautiful effects in any room. Drop patterns are also becoming more common, and will continue to grow in popularity throughout 2023. They can display different textures, sizes, and colors of the floor, which end up blending into each other. Graphic tiles. Not many people are willing to use their floors as an artistic canvas. But if you like unique and dainty patterns on your tiles, graphic pattern tiles are for you. Using cutting-edge technology, manufacturers can reproduce an infinite number of mosaic images. You can get tiles with a repeating pattern, or tiles that fit together like a jigsaw puzzle to form a large pattern all over the floor. Graphic mosaics come in monochrome, but if you're feeling especially crazy, there are others with eye-catching multicolored patterns and lettering. Laminate flooring trends. Laminate is popular for both commercial and residential spaces, and that doesn't look like it will change in 2023. Next year, we expect to see home and business owners gravitate toward light wood and wide plank laminate flooring. Additionally, homeowners will be looking for features like water resistance, stain resistance, embossed distressed textures, and high variation options.